Hey guys, if you didn't notice, the 48-hour group build is coming up. It's not this weekend, but the next weekend after. So I started looking through my stash and trying to find one that I think I can get done in 48 hours. I think I found it. The Tom Daniels Cherry Bomb. I got this one not too long ago, and I was kind of thinking about that when I saw it. Thinking, well, it might not be too bad of a kit to do for the 48 hours. And when I got to open it up, I wasn't wrong. There ain't a whole lot to this kit, but it's still really cool. I don't want to overdo it for a 48-hour build. I know some people, they really get some kits that it's like, I don't know how they're going to get it done in 48 hours, and they do. I'm not that person. I like to take my time. So this one ain't got a lot of parts. I didn't do a part count, but I'm going to open up the box and show you guys. I also like to thank Craig for keeping up on a 48-hour build. It's quite a lot of fun. Here's some pictures of the actual model built. Comes with a cool bike and trailer. Now, I was looking at this one and how they got this front dash all black. The whole interior is black on his. I'm gonna have to change that up a little bit. It kind of looks a little. It's great looking kit. In the build, I want some other contrast in there. I might do a gloss black or so, or I don't know. Let's have a little change. The motor is some kind of turbine motor, I do believe. Let's see. And here's a lot of detail in this, and I think it's just one piece. So he's got a lot of color on that. Some nice washes. There's a motorcycle with a bomb gas tank. Pretty cool chopper. And then they're both together. So let's see what's inside. So here's a nice big tree of chrome. Got your handlebars and the front forks. Looks like it's supposed to be like a Springer front end. I can't tell what the heck that is. Looks like maybe the hitch. Exhaust pipes. See, this is the motor. I think it's just a one-piece motor deal. The rear end, the sissy bar, suspension. A bunch of chrome wheels and the two motor halves. So I think in the rules, Craig, if you're watching, please let me know. I like to strip these parts before the build starts, especially like the motors, the belt drive, the rear suspension. So if I can do that before the 48 hours happens, and this is actually a seat, I'd like to let me know, because I like to get these started, at least some of them. The handlebars I might have to strip just because of the tree locations. They always put them in very obvious places, but they probably can't put them anywhere else. Hopefully this don't break, because I'm sure that's probably pain getting off of there. Some cool spoke wheels. Those I won't strip. I won't strip the wheels. So there's the chrome tree. The glass. This over the engine. What those are. And then the windshield. And it looks like the windshield actually is a flip top, bubble top. Here is the bottom of the body. So not too much on that. This tree has the two bike halves. I think this is supposed to be the exhaust port that goes out of the one side, and then the main body. I think I'm going to do mine in black, so it looks like louvers. But I'll probably do the metallic black, testers black, and I'll probably do the body in a red testers. That one coat lacquer. Since it's a 48-hour build, it'll dry nice and quick. Probably dry within an hour where I can touch it and work on it. Cut that paint time down and you'll be able to get it done in 48 hours pretty easily. So here's the wheel backs, the two halves of the trailer, and the interior. The interior is pretty wild. I don't think I could drive a car laying down like that, but I won't know until you try it. That's got some buttons and stuff on the sides. Must have a hand throttle or something in this car, but it was one of Tom Daniel's ideas, so they probably didn't have any of that parts figured out. It was just all about looks. Getting people to buy model kits back in the day. And so, bag of tires for the trailer and the front. Two tires for the bike. Two nice big slicks. These are the solid, hard as a rock ones. And then the little sheet of decals. So, not too much to that one. I think it'd be pretty easy to get done in time. I think I also have to work that weekend too. On Saturday. So if you guys are debating on joining a 48-hour build, if you can, it's a lot of fun. Give it a shot. If you don't get it done in time, ain't the end of the world. At least you tried. But if you do get it done in that 48 hours, it's a big sense of accomplishment. So if you give it a shot and try it, give it on a kit that really don't mean a whole lot to you, in case you do screw it up if it's your first time trying, and a kit that's easy enough like this one that you're more likely you're going to get it done. So thanks Craig again for putting out a group build. Should be a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun last year, and this will actually be like the anniversary build for me. Last year's 48-hour group build was actually the first time I hosted on YouTube, and I'm super surprised at how much this channel has grown. I am up to 330 subscribers, I do believe, and I'd like to thank every single one of you for supporting the channel and all the great comments. It really is a fun thing to do, this YouTube channel, with all the great people out there watching and supporting the channel. And hopefully in the next year that it'll keep on growing and we'll keep on building models. Alright, until next time, you guys have a great one. Bye.